Sully Man Vlogs making movies.
Is up, you guys? So we made it over here to All Team Bash. I actually gotta leave real quick and come right back here. I already had some guys to pull up on me as soon as I got here to the show. They were looking at it, so I see it's getting some eyes, y'all. Definitely eye catcher. I got that stinger. What's going on, man? You good? Oh yeah, it's looking good, man. Yes, sir.
You seen another thing around here?
Huh?
You seen another thing around here?
Yeah, I seen one. I don't know if he came in. It was a yellow one that passed. It was right there. Yep.
I'm trying to, because these are so rare.
It is, man. I was just saying that, man. I like this.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
This is something I'd actually drive, man. It just got a route.
It's a rare gem right there. I mean,
Yeah,
it's different. It's
Yeah.
different. Like, everybody got a charge.
Right.
Everybody got like the same car. Okay,
Right.
you see a Mustang, you see a Charger. No matter
Exactly.
what trim they are, it's still a, I mean, of course, each of them will be cool. But you want to be different.
You got to make it yours.
Yeah, make it yours.
Exactly.
That's what you did right there. You made it.
You know how I am, man. I'm trying to hold on to it, but
What's your next?
I want something fast next time, man.
What's your next thing? What you thinking?
I was looking at these, and I was looking at the Chevy SS, the 4-door.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, LS. Yeah. Yep. So it'll either be that, or maybe one of these, or
Bro, if I was you, bro, I would invest in that SS, bro.
cause you know they got the SRT model.
Yeah.
And these now.
Yeah, I wouldn't say nothing bad about the SRT model because it's different.
Right. Yep.
That'd be a clean.
It's still rare.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
So I don't know, man. I'm just in the middle right now, bro.
Whatever's in your heart, man.
Exactly.
Just follow it.
Yep. Pretty much, I guess whatever is the best deal.
Yeah.
What I see. So
These things stock. I got mine in stock.
just rev it for me. I hear that pop.
Yeah, the pop.
Sound good.
I want to get like
I like
some
this.
sauce or something on it.
Yeah, it sound good though, bro. I like this thing, and it's my favorite color.
Oh, yeah,
Black.
black.
Yep. You got the roof on there.
Oh yeah.
All that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let me. I'm gonna go in my car. I'm gonna give you a couple of cards for my YouTube channel.
All right, bet it.
All right.
Let me get out.
All right. He said, hold on. My guy want to rev this thing real quick. Y'all know I gotta show love. That's why we buy these things, to have fun. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, I hear the pop now.
Oh, y'all heard
I can't hear it from the inside, really.
I heard it. That motherfucker sound bad as fuck.
Yes,
bro.
sir.
I bet you get on, do a pool.
Oh yeah,
that
yeah,
motherfucker gone.
yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
Damn, I bet it sound good.
That exhaust opened it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a liquid wrap.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he sprayed it on. It's a wrap, so I can pull it back off. It look like paint though, don't it? Yes, sir.
A wrap don't do this.
Huh? No, it's a V8. It's a V8. It's a Hemi. You like it? Kids say they like the car, y'all. That's what it's all about.
Is it loud?
It's loud. I'll let you hear it. 6'2". Yep.
My brother's 6'4".
Really? Man, he must be a basketball player.
He got too much hair. And then my dad, and then my dad is 6'4".
Yeah, I'll rev it.
Huh?
I said, I'll rev it. I know you want to hear it. It's loud. Yes, sir. Y'all know this is my style right here. That's what I was looking for. The color on that thing.
Okay, showtime with the win. My bad.
Sitting on them RUCCIS.
Alright, showtime with the win.
Can't go wrong with them RUCCIS.
And that was night shift.
Ooh, boy.
Alright. Kids. Any kids that want to do the four-legged
got the helmet to match.
Hopefully there's enough.
This thing nice right here.
King of Clubs is going to come up here and give out that skull to a team that may not be standing up here. I don't know. There's only a couple teams up here. It don't matter. It's teamwork. Yeah, so what is it?
All right, now, Gabby, say what's up to him, Gabby.
Hey guys.
Can't leave you out. Oh, look at my boy Freeze car real quick.
I gotta turn around.
And we got my boy 797 Freeze. Y'all go follow him right now. We had the hood pop today. Say he's stock, y'all. Okay, this is my type of lineup right here, y'all. And clean. Blue in the lights. Like that. Carbon fiber. All around that thing. It's the M4. I love this color. Nice. Nice.
You got the right idea with your umbrella. It's hot as hell out here. I'm wearing a t-shirt on my head.
Clean. Looks like a wrap. I don't think it is though. Got a pearl in it. Nice.
Let's see, you got the Corvette.
Ooh-wee. Little carbon fiber. This McLaren. Ooh, boy. 720. See the engine from the back. Like that.
Good job, y'all.
Hey, man. Look,
It's ARL.
I really don't know much. I'll see them things together. Son got it hit it.
Sully Man Vlogs making movies.